Welcome to my class Super KBNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to discuss the question answer part of the unit The Giving Tree of class 4th English. So let's begin the class. First, how did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? How the boy enjoyed the company of the tree? The boy enjoyed the company of the tree by climbing up the trunk of the tree and swinging from its branches. The boy enjoyed by swinging from its branches. How did the tree help the boy earn money? How the tree helped the boy to earn money? The tree asked the boy to pluck all its apples, sell them in the market and earn money. What did the boy make with the branches of the tree? The boy built a house with the branches of the tree. What did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? The boy built a boat with the trunk of the tree. How was stump of the tree useful? How the stump of the tree was useful for the man? The stump of the old tree was useful to sit and take rest. Why is the play called The Giving Tree? Why the name of the chapter is The Giving Tree? The play is called The Giving Tree because the tree always gave away something to make the man happy. In this chapter, the tree has always gave away something to make the man happy. Make new words and complete the sentence. The children love to sing loud. You have to add ly, loudly. The children love to sing loudly. Throw the ball. In bracket it is slow, it will be slowly. Throw the ball slowly. Read your lesson silently. The tree gave its fruit to the boy happily. Here you have to remember that the spelling will be HAPPILY, not simply put ly after the word. Do your work neatly. So these are the answers. Now come to the next one. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. My mother went to the market and bought a kilogram of apples, because there are many apples, that's why it will be apples, a dozen bananas and a dozen oranges. You have to consider singular and plural, as there are many, we have to put s. I love oranges, so I ate an orange. As it is single orange, that's why we will write simply orange. My brother wanted a banana and my sister asked for an apple. A tree has one trunk but many branches. As there are number of branches, we call it branches. A branch has a number of leaves. Many leaves are there. And flowers. As there are many numbers, we will put simply s. Write this sentence in the correct order. Also choose the right word from the box and add it before each sentence. Remember to put a comma after it. It gave him its branches to make a house. It asked him to sit on the stump. It gave him its trunk to make a boat. The tree gave its apple to the boy. At first you have to decide the sequence, which incident comes first. In this chapter, first incident was the tree gave its apple to the boy at first. Then it gave him its branches to make a house. After that, it gave him its trunk to make a boat, and finally it asked him to sit on the stump. So we have to write the answer in this way. First, the tree gave its apples to the boy. Remember to put a comma after first. Second, after that it gave him its branches to make a house. Then it gave him trunk to make a boat. Finally, it asked him to sit on the stem. Now, these are some extra works. Chinta Chetu. Chinta Chetu is a tamarind tree. This famous tamarind tree is in Gwalior. It grows over Tansen's tomb. Tansen was a great singer. People in Gwalior say, eat the leaves of this tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. So there is one tree named it's Chinta Chetu. It's a tamarind tree, and all of you know that Tansen was very famous for his singing in Gwalior. That's why the people of Gwalior say that if you will eat the leaves of tamarind tree, you will also sing like Tansen. So few questions are there. Chinta Chetu is a tamarind tree. Yes, out of tree and leaves it will be tree. This famous tree is in Gwalior, right? Tansen was a famous singer, right? The tamarind tree grows up over Tansen's tomb. Eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. So these will be the answers. So thank you for watching this. In the next video, we will discuss about one more unit. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.